So we had some restoration rugs come into our shop today, and those rugs are basically rugs that have been in fires, floods, just any natural disaster that might happen in someone's home, and the rugs get rolled up and they get brought to our shop. These rugs were obviously in a fire and they are covered in soot and ash, and so we immediately had to put them onto our wash floor. We're going to rinse out as much soot as we possibly can, and we're also going to put it inside of a tank that has a fire deodorizer inside of it. So, yeah, you're going to get to see the whole transformation about how this rug turns from a completely ash covered rug into a really beautiful rug with all the colors popping and bringing it back to life again.
Obviously, we rinsed it really well to get the smoke. Try to get all we could off from it is what I was thinking. And then we washed with a little bit of detergent and deodorizer, but we're gonna put it in the bathtub. We're gonna try to spin it really good and get a lot of it out of there, the rest of it out of there. But then once it's semi-dry, we're gonna put it and soak it and absorb a fire deodorizer in it for a few hours or so. So that might take care of it.
Nice.
Just to tell you, the goal would be just to get it mixed up first. Like, you don't want to put the rug in there, put the water, and then dump the chemical, because you want to get it mixed up before you put that in. What do you favor and pull that?